Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Beach Buggy Racing on your phone. So as you can see, I got 18 million coins and I am super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded Beach Buggy Racing game. So the first step is to go to this website called tweakgpt.com. This website is not known, it's not banned or anything. It's an AI site. So we'll put in a prompt to generate a mod. And for us, that's going to be Beach Buggy. I can't say this works. Okay, it works. So as you can see, it says want to get Beach Buggy Racing mod. Here's how. Go to Hex Mods. So now we're on Hex Mods. So let's type in Beach. And sure enough, there it is. Press on the download button. You're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've already downloaded this mod, so I'm not going to go through with it again. But if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. And if you go to the App Store and type in Beach Buggy Racing, you can see it is super expensive. So as you can see, that's not the game. As you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases, it's very, very expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. And yeah, I mean, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. If you guys subscribe to the channel, this is super cool. As you can see, I got pretty much everything, guys. So yeah, if this video works, guys, you will be really happy to have this mod because, I mean, hey, if it works, it works. I mean, peace out. This is really cool. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. But, yeah, I mean, what the heck, bro? Actually works. That's crazy, bro. Like, I got 252,000 diamonds. That's awesome. So, I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. It's pretty crazy. And it's, like, no ban or anything. So, peace out, guys. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So, I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and you coming at me with new mods, I'm coming at you with new mods.